Hi guys, so as you guys can see, it's the same shirt. It's the same day I record my Guardian my unboxing Guardian PR box. So and look, I have a hair clip over here. So I got from Sunsilk. So I will unbox this thing pula with you guys today. So let's see what happen. This one ada ribbon dekat this one, tapi I dah buka and I tak nak pasang balik. So please bear with me, okay? Yeah. So this is what I got from Sunsilk. Oh wow, guys. That's my pink one. Not pink, but the theme is like pinky or something. It's so cute. And then we have a card. I'm just gonna read it later. So first one, kita ada conditioner. Kita ada 3 conditioner kat sini. Dia bagi I banyak. So this is the Super Conditioner Power Shine. And then this is the damage control. And this is the volume booster. So the cutest thing about this box is diorang bagi I hair clip. And I dah pakai satu warna pink, and this is like the gold hair clip macam tu. Dia tak tahu je actually hair clip. And then we have this thing macam for flat lay ataupun you boleh letak something. And this is reflective, so you boleh nampak. And ada Sunsilk kat sini, so it's not easy for you to get it. I mean, you tak boleh beli kat luar. And then we have this compact mirror, which is so useful for me. Sebab perempuan, mesti lah mana nak boleh cermin. Sekejap. Yeah. So this is the mirror. And last but not least, I dapat this bag. And so nice. So dalam dia macam ni. And you can definitely fit 3 of this conditioner. Ta-da! Okay, so just zip this one. And we're done. Cantik ni. Ya Allah. Thank you. I really love it. This is so nice. So that is all. I will try the conditioner first. And oh yeah. Anyway, wait, bau. Sedap. Bau ni, bau ni sedap sangat. Ni boleh lah. Ni pun sedap. Dia macam bau fresh. Bau like ocean fresh macam tu lah. This one bau sweet sangat. And it's pink, so I love this one. And I'm gonna bring this one to Bangi. And I'm gonna lift this to here. So I will try this one first, but I try it. Okay. So thank you so much Sunsilk and Guardian for sending me these PR boxes. And thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!